My name is Jesse, and I work with small businesses in the government marketplace. You're listening to FedBiz 5, where you get informed, get connected, and get results on everything government contracting. Hello, and welcome to another episode of FedBiz 5. Today we have our very own senior contracting specialist, Frank Krebs, and he is here to shed some light on a new product that I've heard some buzz about called MatchMaker from FedBiz Access. Welcome back, Frank.
Hey, thanks, Jesse. Glad to be here.
Happy to have you. So let me be frank for a second. When I first heard the name MatchMaker, I do admit my mind immediately thought must be just another dating app or website.
True.
I mean, the name alone that says that. But it turns out it is way more than a bunch of swipes and awkward conversation starters. I don't know if you've ever been on a dating app. I know that's pretty much what it is for me.
I refuse to answer on the grounds it may incriminate me.
There you go. Let's just jump right into this. Can you tell us a bit about what it offers and how it can change the game for businesses chasing government contracts?
Absolutely, Jesse. MatchMaker is a new and exciting subscription service that aims to revolutionize how businesses discover and pursue government contract opportunities. And it's actually 3 products rolled into one package. It is designed to give businesses, especially small businesses, the edge that they need to succeed.
Okay, sounds intriguing. Could you break it down for us?
MatchMaker provides total market visibility as it connects businesses with the right buyers using a proprietary database. Now, here's the cool part. It comes with government engagement coaching, so to help businesses effectively communicate and build relationships with those buyers. This coaching sets your firm apart from others by giving you a distinct marketing advantage over your competition.
That sounds pretty valuable to me. Could you give us some more details about how MatchMaker helps businesses seize those lucrative award opportunities?
Sure thing. The MatchMaker product offers expert consultations on a monthly basis. Now, during these sessions, businesses receive tailored advice on the best government award opportunities that most closely align with their specific product or service offerings. It's almost like having a personal coach guiding you toward success. Plus, as I mentioned, firms also receive the engagement coaching, which helps them speak the language of the government buyers with confidence.
Sounds like a game changer to me. So if you don't mind, let's talk about the customized weekly opportunities list. How does that work?
Okay, this is an immediate time saver, Jesse. MatchMaker sends subscribers a weekly email of all government bid opportunities that is customized to their industry and their specific competencies. There's no more wasting time on performing manual searches. This tailored list includes open solicitations, RFPs, sources sought, and RFIs that match their business interests, and it is delivered straight to their inbox. It gives you a competitive leg up on the industry.
Well, that's pretty convenient. So I'm curious about the federal marketing component you mentioned. Can you walk us through the steps and how it helps businesses build relationships with federal buyers?
Absolutely, Jesse. The federal marketing component of MatchMaker follows a 4-step process. First, our firm researches and identifies government buyers, contracting officers in our proprietary database who have previously purchased similar products or services to what our client provides. Then, we introduce the subscriber to these targeted buyers through personalized introductory emails, while simultaneously providing the client with these buyers' direct contact information. Next, we provide contracting officer engagement coaching and personalized call scripts. Now, this is provided to ensure that business owners feel confident when reaching out and following up with these government buyers. By repeating this process, businesses establish their brand and reputation with the government contracting officers and build valuable relationships. Government contracting, Jesse, is not unlike commercial contracts in that it is not always what you know, but who you know.
Okay, so it sounds like MatchMaker provides businesses with a clear roadmap to navigate the complexities of government contracting and build lasting connections. Thank you for breaking that down. I appreciate it.
My pleasure, Jesse. as MatchMaker is truly a game changer for businesses that are looking to make their mark in the government contracting space, as it offers total visibility, expert consultations, a tailored weekly opportunities list, and a step-by-step government marketing strategy. It's all about helping businesses consistently win those coveted awards.
Excellent. So there you have it. MatchMaker from FedBiz Access seems like a powerful tool to boost chances in the world of government contracting. Frank, thank you again for joining us and shedding some light on what could truly revolutionize the way small businesses pursue contracts. Again, thank you, Frank. I appreciate it.
Hey, it was my pleasure, Jesse, but I do think you hit it right on the head there. Thanks for having me.
No, happy to have you. And thank you all for tuning into this episode of FedBiz 5. Until next time. This concludes this week's episode of FedBiz 5, where you get informed, get connected, and get results. Today's podcast is sponsored by FedBiz Access, government contracting made simple. Visit them at fedbizaccess.com or contact them at 888-299-4498.